Welcome back to SlimSync. Today we're diving into fast, healthy Japanese cooking, meals you can whip up in under 10 minutes. Japanese cuisine is my go-to for clean flavors and health benefits, and I've created 3 original recipes that are nutrient-packed, low-calorie, and bursting with authentic taste. Forget takeout, these dishes are designed for busy professionals who want real food, real fast, without sacrificing flavor or health. On the menu, Media Group. Busy professional preparing healthy meal in modern kitchen. Chef plating Japanese food with energetic motion at stock at distribute _equally. Salmon and Spinach Onigiri. Quick chicken teriyaki zoodles. And a refreshing tofu and seaweed salad with edamame. Each is a complete, balanced meal you'll actually look forward to eating. Let's get started and transform your meal prep game. First up, we're making salmon and spinach onigiri. Classic Japanese rice balls with a healthy modern twist. These little bundles are not only delicious, but they are also packed with nutrients, making them a perfect choice for anyone looking for a quick, wholesome meal or snack. Onigiri are a staple in Japanese cuisine, loved for their simplicity, portability, and endless variety. Today we're giving them a nutritious boost by adding vibrant spinach and protein-rich salmon. Start with warm, short-grain rice for easy shaping. Short-grain rice is sticky and holds together well, which is essential for forming those classic onigiri shapes. If you can, use Japanese sushi rice for the best texture, but any short-grain rice will do the trick. Make sure the rice is freshly cooked and still warm. This makes it much easier to mold and gives your onigiri that soft, pillowy bite. For the filling, use flaked cooked or canned salmon, packed in water, whichever is more convenient for you. If you have leftover grilled or baked salmon, this is a great way to use it up. Canned salmon is a fantastic pantry staple. Just drain it well and remove any bones or skin for a smooth texture. Next, lightly steam some fresh spinach until it's just wilted, then chop it finely. Spinach adds a pop of color and a boost of vitamins and minerals, making these rice balls even more nourishing. You can use baby spinach or regular spinach. Just be sure to squeeze out any excess moisture after steaming so your filling isn't watery. Combine the flaked salmon and chopped spinach in a mixing bowl. This is where the magic happens. The pink of the salmon and the green of the spinach come together to create a filling that's as beautiful as it is tasty. Add a teaspoon of low-sodium soy sauce for that umami kick. The soy sauce not only seasons the filling but also brings out the natural flavors of the salmon and spinach. If you like a little extra flavor, you can add a dash of toasted sesame oil or a sprinkle of furikake seasoning. Mix gently. Look for a colorful blend of pink and green. Be careful not to mash the ingredients. You want the filling to stay light and fluffy, with visible pieces of salmon and spinach in every bite. Now, lay out a square of cling wrap on your work surface. This will help you shape the onigiri without the rice sticking to your hands. If you prefer, you can wet your hands with a little water and a pinch of salt, which is the traditional method in Japan. Scoop a generous spoonful of warm rice into the center of the cling wrap. The amount of rice you use will determine the size of your onigiri. About a half cup is perfect for a snack-sized ball. Use the back of a spoon to make a small indent in the center of the rice. This little pocket will hold your filling and keep it from spilling out. Add a generous spoonful of the salmon spinach filling right into the indent. Don't be shy. More filling means more flavor in every bite. Then cover the filling with another scoop of rice, sealing it in. Gently press the rice over the filling so it's completely enclosed. Gather the corners of the cling wrap and twist them together to form a compact ball. The cling wrap helps you shape the rice without it sticking to your hands, and it keeps everything neat and tidy. Then shape the rice ball into a triangle if you like, or keep it round for a more traditional look. The triangle shape is iconic in Japan and makes the onigiri easy to hold and eat. Unwrap your onigiri and press one side into toasted sesame seeds for a nutty crunch. The sesame seeds add flavor, texture, and a beautiful golden color to your rice balls. Repeat the process to make a batch. These are perfect for lunchboxes, picnics, or a post-workout snack. You can make them ahead of time and store them in the fridge for a quick grab-and-go meal. Each onigiri is balanced. Carbs from rice for energy, protein from salmon for muscle repair, and vitamins from spinach for overall health. It's a complete meal in one tidy package. They're portable, satisfying, and ready in minutes. Whether you're heading to work, school, or the gym, these rice balls are the ultimate convenient snack. No mess, no fuss, just clean, energizing food that you can feel good about eating. Plus, they're easy to clean up after, so you can spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your day. Admire your handiwork, neat, flavorful, and healthy. Each onigiri is a little work of art, and you'll be proud to share them with friends or family. This is fast food, Japanese style, fresh, homemade, and full of goodness. Unlike typical fast food, these rice balls are nourishing and made with real ingredients. Make a few, pack them up, and you're set for the day. They're perfect for meal prep, and you can customize the fillings to suit your taste or whatever you have on hand. These onigiri are a staple in my busy week. I love having them ready to go for a quick lunch between meetings or a healthy snack after a workout. Simple, delicious, and so cute. You can even decorate them with little nori faces or sesame seeds for extra fun, especially if you're making them for kids. Once you try homemade onigiri, you'll never look at convenience food the same way again. They're fresher, healthier, and so much more satisfying than anything you'll find in a package. Ready for the next recipe? Let's go! There's a whole world of delicious, healthy Japanese snacks waiting for you to discover. Next up, let's crush those noodle cravings with quick chicken teriyaki zoodles. A low-carb, high-protein spin on a Japanese favorite that's perfect for busy weeknights, or when you want something light, but still super satisfying. This dish is all about big flavor, fresh ingredients, and a quick cooking process that won't leave you with a pile of dishes. Start by heating a large skillet over medium-high heat and add a teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil. The aroma alone will get your appetite going, and it's the perfect base for building those classic teriyaki flavors. Add thinly sliced chicken breast to the hot skillet. Sauté the chicken, stirring occasionally, until it's just cooked through and lightly golden on the edges. This should take about 3-4 minutes, depending on how thin your slices are. The key is to keep the chicken juicy and tender, so don't overcook it. While the chicken is sizzling away, whip up a quick homemade teriyaki sauce. In a small bowl, combine 1 or 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of low-sodium soy sauce, and a teaspoon of honey or mirin for a touch of sweetness. If you like a little heat, add a pinch of red pepper flakes or a dash of ginger for extra zing. Pour the sauce over the chicken in the skillet. Stir well to coat every piece and let it simmer for a couple of minutes until the sauce thickens and becomes glossy, clinging to the chicken. The aroma will be irresistible. While the sauce is thickening, grab a couple of fresh zucchinis and spiralize them into noodles. If you don't have a spiralizer, you can use a julienne peeler or even slice them thinly by hand. Zoodles are a fantastic, nutrient-packed alternative to regular noodles, and they soak up all that delicious teriyaki flavor. Add the zoodles right into the pan with the chicken and sauce. Toss everything together gently, making sure the zucchini noodles get coated in that savory, sticky glaze. Cook the zoodles for just 1-2 minutes, no more. You want them to stay crisp and vibrant, not soggy. The quick cook keeps their texture perfect and their color bright. To serve, use tongs to twirl the zoodles into a beautiful nest on your plate, then pile the juicy teriyaki chicken right on top. It looks as good as it tastes. Finish with a generous sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for extra flavor and a satisfying crunch. If you have them, sliced green onions or a few shreds of carrot make a colorful garnish. The result is a vibrant, filling meal that comes together in under 10 minutes from start to finish. It's a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. Packed with lean protein from the chicken and loaded with vitamins and fiber from the zucchini, this dish is a nutritional powerhouse. It's perfect for lunch, dinner, or even meal prep for the week. There are no heavy carbs here, just light, energizing food that will keep you full and focused without weighing you down. You'll feel satisfied, not sluggish, and you won't miss traditional noodles at all. The flavors are bold, the textures are fun, and it's a meal you can feel great about eating. This is a weeknight staple you'll crave again and again. It's quick enough for a busy evening, but impressive enough to serve to friends or family. Healthy, fast, and absolutely delicious. This recipe checks all the boxes for a go-to meal. Try it once and you'll want to add it to your regular rotation. It's that good, and it's that easy. Ready for the final recipe? Let's keep the momentum going and dive into the next delicious dish. Last up, we have a no-cook wonder that's as nourishing as it is beautiful. Tofu and seaweed salad with edamame. This dish is a celebration of fresh, fast, and wholesome eating, and it's absolutely packed with plant-based protein. Whether you're looking for a quick lunch, a light dinner, or a vibrant side, this salad delivers on all fronts. It's the kind of meal that feels special, yet comes together in minutes, making it perfect for busy days or when you want something healthy without the fuss. Start with firm tofu. Make sure it's pressed to remove excess water, so it holds its shape and soaks up all the delicious flavors. Cube it into bite-sized pieces for the perfect texture in every mouthful. Tofu is not only a fantastic source of protein, but it's also rich in calcium and iron, making it a powerhouse ingredient for plant-based meals. Next, add shelled, cooked edamame. If you're using frozen edamame, just thaw them under warm water for a few minutes. They're ready in no time. Edamame brings a pop of color and a satisfying bite, plus even more protein and fiber to keep you feeling full and energized. Now toss in shredded nori. This seaweed adds that unmistakable Japanese flavor and a subtle oceanic note that pairs perfectly with the tofu and edamame. Nori is also a great source of iodine and minerals, making this salad as nutritious as it is tasty. Combine the tofu, edamame, and nori in a large bowl. Just look at those vibrant colors. The green of the edamame, the creamy white tofu, and the dark, glossy nori. It's a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. For the dressing, whisk together a tablespoon each of rice vinegar and low-sodium soy sauce, plus a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. This simple combination creates a tangy, savory, and slightly nutty dressing that ties all the ingredients together. If you like, you can add a touch of maple syrup or a sprinkle of sugar for a hint of sweetness, or a squeeze of lime for extra brightness. Pour the dressing over your salad and gently toss everything to coat each piece evenly. Take your time here. This is where the flavors start to meld and the nori begins to soften, absorbing the dressing and infusing the salad with umami depth. As the nori softens, it weaves its flavor through the tofu and edamame, creating a harmonious blend of taste and texture. The salad becomes more cohesive and every bite is packed with flavor. If you're in the mood for a little heat, sprinkle in a pinch of red pepper flakes or add a dash of sriracha. This optional step gives the salad a spicy kick and a burst of color, making it even more exciting. Once plated, finish with a final drizzle of toasted sesame oil. This not only adds a beautiful shine and irresistible aroma, but also enhances the nutty undertones of the dish. It's a small touch that makes a big difference. The result is a salad that's light and hydrating, yet surprisingly filling thanks to all that plant-based protein and fiber. It's refreshing, satisfying, and perfect for any time of day. Best of all, this salad is vegan, protein-packed, and truly ready in just 5 minutes. It's ideal for meal prep, quick lunches, or when you need a nutritious meal in a hurry. Serve it as a main for lunch, a light dinner, or as a vibrant side dish alongside your favorite Japanese-inspired meals. It's versatile, delicious, and always a crowd pleaser. With crisp, fresh ingredients and a nutrient-dense profile, this salad is exactly what your body craves. Clean, energizing, and full of flavor. Japanese simplicity at its best. Just a handful of ingredients, but each one shines, coming together for big, bold flavor in every bite. Add this tofu and seaweed salad with edamame to your healthy meal arsenal, and enjoy a dish that's as easy to make as it is delicious to eat. Give it a try and let your taste buds travel to Japan. No passport required. And there you have it. 3 fast, healthy Japanese meals. Salmon and spinach onigiri, chicken teriyaki zoodles, and tofu and seaweed salad. Each dish is quick, delicious, and perfect for busy professionals. Eating well doesn't have to take hours or mean sacrificing flavor. Try these recipes and see how easy healthy eating can be. Let me know your favorite in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to SlimSync for more easy Japanese weight loss recipes. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.